Hello students, once again we are here to discuss about presentation. Presentation basically refers to the collection of slides. Slides means pages, we can say. Pages will contain images as well as videos or audios or any kind of file which make a person who is seeing the presentation more effective, and the person will be able to recognize or give a person a better idea of what is being taught, or a person will be able to perceive it more clearly. That's why we are creating presentation. So again we are going to discuss some of the features what we can add in presentation. So the first feature we can add is adding videos and sound clips. So we can add videos also, and we can add sound clips also. If we want to add some videos, if we want some in between the presentation, suppose the presentation is very long, then to make the person entertaining, means to make keep the interest of the person, will be playing some videos that so that the interest of the person will be there. Or sometimes the related to presentation only we are showing some videos, so that also we can make. So basically depends upon the idea of the presenter, who what idea he is going to present. In that way he is giving or he is adding the videos or sound clip. So I am just giving one way how to insert a video or audio clips. We can insert both the things. So we can insert from our video from files also, and the other thing is that we can insert audio also. We will be inserting first video, then I'll be inserting audio. So that also I am showing you how to insert a video as well as audio. So I'll be going to insert option, and then I am going to, you can see here it is video option. I am going to video, and video on my PC also, and you can online video also you can select. So whatever video if it is there in your PC, so I am selecting from my PC. I want to just select, and I will be going to videos option. Videos option is here. Then I am selecting one video. This is of Airlift, one Bollywood song. Just I want to say that, just I want to make that this video is there. We can play this video, and we can add this to the slide. We can add this to the slide. So this is one video which I have inserted. Now I can insert audio also. Depending upon if you want audio also, you can insert audio also in the slide, in your slide. So I can insert audio also. You will be going to insert, then going to audio, then record audio also is there, and audio on my PC is also there. The version which I am using is MS Presentation 2013, but in your book it is given with respect to 2010. So additional features will be there in my Presentation 2013, because mine is updated version than 2010. So we will be finding some additional features also will be added in 2013. So I am going to just explain how to add audio on my PC. I'll be going to this music. I have saved in music, and then one song is there, Teri Yaad, that I'll be adding there. I can add that song, or I'll be adding in this slide. Just to make the slide interesting, I am adding these songs. We can add, so it can be inserted here, and if you want to play, then so the audio is being played. So you can see that the audio is also getting played. So you can insert this audio, play in background also we can say, or you can play where you want and how many seconds you want to play. You can trim audio also. Trimming audio means up to how much you want to play. So if I'll be trimming audio, you can trim also. The length also you can decrease. What can be the length? what should be the length. If my audio size is 6 minutes 22 second, but I will be making it 1 minute 33 second. That also you can make from here, and from that 1 minute 37 second it will be started, and you can change the length also. So that is one of the trim audio's function. So that depends upon how you want. Just like you are doing a video editing, so same feature is there in this also, that what length of audio you want, or what length of video you want. So that also you can change according to trim option, and the timing is also given, and many other options are given. Play in background also, that you will not be able to see, and it will be played in the background also. Many other options are there, so that you will be exploring. You can ask also that while doing, you can ask us. We can insert picture also, that also I'll be explaining how to insert picture. If one picture I want to insert in this slide, so I can insert picture also. I'll be showing you how to insert a picture. I am going to pictures option, then I am going to music folder I have saved here, and then this picture I want to insert here. So it is getting inserted here, but the slide content is, you can decrease the size also, so that its visibility should be there. This is decrease size. I can decrease the size of the picture as per the requirement. If you want in the whole background also, you can make it in the whole background also, but if you want that the size should be decreased, so it can be decreased also. And if you want to place here, so it will be looking nice. And you can I have added pictures also, audios also, and videos also. Sometimes it is given for entertainment purpose, or sometimes you are needing it actually to explain the concept. So that depending upon what you want, you can insert, or you can use the requirement, or you can, one option is there in audio also, that loop until stop. Loop option makes the audio clip run again and again. Means if your suppose I have made only 4 slides are there, but if your slide length is about 100 slides, so in that case 6 minute audio file will not be so long. So you have to repeat the audio if you want that same audio should be played again and again. So you can make the same audio run again and again using loop option. So you can use loop until stop option. And trim also I have explained. Trim means from where to where you want to play the audio, or you can record your own sound also. From here it is showing insert, then audio and record audio. From here you can record your own audio for that particular thing. So that is with respect to the insertion part. Now we'll be moving to the word transition. What we understand by transition. Transition allows you to set the timing of your presentation. PowerPoint allows you to set the timing of your presentation. It means that you don't need to click the mouse button or press the enter key every time. If you want, then you don't have to press the mouse key or the enter key every time you want to go to next slide during a slideshow. You can manually set a time. We can manually set a time for each slide, then run the slide. If you know that how much time you will be needing to explain a particular slide, then you can set the timer, and the slide will be automatically be shifted. You don't have to press mouse, or you don't have to press enter key for that shifting of slide from one slide to another slide. So one option is there, transition. Transition is basically the way how your presentation will be shifting from one slide to the other slide. Means control, we can say that it is basically transition can be useful to enhance your presentation. They grab the audience attention also and make a presentation visually appealing. Means audience who will be looking will be finding it attractive due to transition. So you can make it attractive also. Slide transition control how your presentation moves from one slide to another slide, how your slide is moving from one slide to another slide. So we have to use transition option. So basically we'll be studying how to add transitions in a. Now we're discussing transition as I have explained. Now the features, how to exert, I'll be going to clicking on, this is design, this is transition option. Transition is basically how the slides will be moving. See how it is moving. Slide, it can move in this way also, means one slide to another slide, or splitting also, splitted way also, or reveal also. This kind of view is also there. I have added one sound also while moving, so you can use arrow sound also. See, it is moving from one sound to another sound, or camera option is also there. You can hear the sound also if I am moving from here. It is changing, and you can take the timing also, how much time you want for a particular slide. So you can decrease the timing 25 seconds on mouse click, or after automatically you can select. After means basically the timing. So you can select how much second it will be moving automatically. After 00 colon we have to make 00 colon we have to make 15. So after 15 seconds it can be moved. Or you can select the timing, with respect to that it will be moved. So now I'll be showing you can select the sound option, apply to all, you can do. And now I have applied this part, push means it will be, and now camera sound will be happening when it will be moving from one slide to another. Now slideshow when I will be doing, then I have to select from beginning. First option is there, then second, third, then fourth, then. So I have selected very fast, that's why it is showing fast. But you have to keep in mind that the features, now it is very fast, I was not able to explain. That's why I have to use one more feature that is known as rehearsal features. That's why I have put it fast, so that once the slide had started, and it has certainly within a few seconds it has reached to the last slide. So that features, one feature is there, rehearsal time is that how much time you will be taking for one slide to explain, how much time you will be taking. Suppose this slide is there, the contents you are seeing, and how much time you will be taking to explain this content, that is known as rehearsal time. We can practice with respect to rehearsal time. Rehearsal times allows us to practice the things, and so you can practice the content, means how much time you will be needing for a particular slide to keep the pace with the slide. Means sometimes we can be fast also, and the slides are running very slow, and sometimes we can be very slow and the slides are very fast, like this. Just within a second slides appeared and disappeared. Just I was showing you example. That's why I told one more feature is there, rehearsal features. From that we can rehearse and you can practice that slide timing. So we will be going to slideshow menu, and here one rehearse timing is there. So you can practice here rehearse timing. You are seeing that rehearse timing is there, how much time you will be taking for a particular slide, or you can remove how much slide you have taken, and now you can move from one slide to another slide also. The total time was 0.17 second. So this was one of the slide. So you can practice like this, rehearse slide, rehearse timing. You can set how much time you'll be taking for a particular slide to be explained. So you can take one timing, and with respect to that you can practice how much time you are taking, and with respect to that you will be recognizing that this is the timing you are able to use. One more feature is there, importing content from other application. I can import some other content. Okay, so how to import? I will be going to insert tab, and insert dialog box will be appearing there. I will be moving to insert tab. See, insert tab is here. Then I will be selecting object. If you want to create one new object or a Excel chart, then you have to click on create new option. Means many kind of Excel chart you can create, or Word file, or any file you want to create. Then you have to create new. Means you want to create and you want to add, then you have to click on create new. And you want to create from file which is already saved in your computer. Likewise I am going to do. So I'll be clicking on browse option. Browse means where you have saved. I have saved in music folder, and this is one of the Excel marks. And then I'll be clicking on OK button. Now it is showing to browse, create, and I'll be clicking on OK button, and this thing will be copied here. You are able to see that this is copied here. Now you can increase the size, orientation also you can change. So this size has been increased. Okay, so this is one of the thing which is not visible in your laptop, because the font we are using is a black color. We can change the font also color with respect to, and then many more features are there, but it is not visible because of that only. So you can change the color. Likewise I can show you design. I'll be going, and then I'll be changing the slide. So you are able to see this. So this was actually the I've applied here. So you are able to see these things. So this is the slide. So thank you all of you. If you want to create from the link also you can create, and many more options are there. If you will be having any doubt, so you can ask us in our WhatsApp group. Thank you students, and the question answer will be given in the next class. If you are having any doubt, then you can ask and contact us. Thank you.